As you can see, the living area is divided into 3 parts. Kitchen has been given this very modern and luxurious, like this very much spacious, and your wardrobes. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. I am Ikhlas and today we will be doing the sample flat tour of Casa Grande Mandarin by Casa Grande, located in Miapur, Hyderabad. But before starting, let me show you the surrounding of the project, and as you can see, I'm standing at the exact location of the project. So this is your marketing office and that is your land parcel. Now let me quickly tell you what exactly is Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developers, thereby giving you a bottom rate guarantee. Now, unlike any other current listing platform where if you do inquiry, your number is shared with multiple brokers, creating chaos. But with Housey, it is directly done by the developer. So stop going here and there and book your dream home directly through Housey. So the first one is the project overview. You see, this entire project will be constructed on 8 acres of land parcel, featuring in total 6 towers with 2 basement, ground and 7 floors, having 3 BHK and 4 BHK premium residences. Now let's have a look at the amenities part. You see, this project comes with modern luxurious amenities, which includes a grand clubhouse that is 41,000 square feet, a rooftop swimming pool which is 5,600 square feet, there is a gymnasium, meditation deck and a lot more. Coming to the location part, as you can see, I'm standing at the exact location of the project, which is located in Miapur near the Junior Chaitanya College, Hyderabad. Now, the Chaitanya College is just 300 meters away from here, the Bachupalli to Miapur highway being only 4 kilometers away, and Aminpur Lake only 1.5 kilometers away. Now, we will be doing the model flat tour of Casa Grande Mandarin for 3 BHK, and the configuration for that is 1719 square feet. Now, as we make entrance, we have this first huge fancy door, and you will notice that you have your lock system where you can add your fingerprint, you have your bell system, or choose to design however you like. Also, your door has been given this wooden touch. Now, entering inside, we first have our living area, and as you can see, the living area is divided into 3 parts, which means this can be used as your first living area where you can add your sofas or design it however you want to. You have your AC appliances there, you can also add your fan appliances, and the good part is that you already have your inbuilt lighting system given all over the house. On this side, you can add your TV, you have your electric units placed on each corner of the living area properly. Now, coming to the second corner of your living area, which can be turned into your dining area, and if you see, the space is designed in a very unique way. So it's a very rectangle like shape, so you have all the way from here up till that corner, so you can add an extra wash basin here, which will make it easier for you to wash your hands. Now, coming to the third corner of your living area, this again can be used as your cozy corner for your guests or your kids, or you can add a bookshelf on this corner. Design it however you like. Here as well, you have your AC switch and your fan switch given on this corner as well. And then again on this side, you again have a lot of space. So if you want, you can also design this shelf by accessorizing it however you like. Now, right in front of that, you have your balcony. Your balcony again is extremely very spacious. So this is going to be the balcony area. If you notice, this is also designed in a very rectangle shape. You have your railings added for your safety system, and you will have a perfect view, sunlight and good amount of ventilation coming in. Your balcony also can be given wooden floor and touching if you like it. And on this side, you also have your electric unit, and also this is weatherproof socket. So that means, like, if it's raining or anything happens, nothing will happen. And then on above, if you see, you can add your laundry system here as well for your clothing. Now, let's enter into our first bedroom. So if you see, your first bedroom is very close to your living cum dining area. So this is going to be your first bedroom. If you notice, your first bedroom itself already is extremely spacious, which starts all the way from this corner up to these 2 other corners. So you can add a cozy table and chair on this corner, because you have huge balcony, like window balcony like system over here, because this is also openable. So you can just slide your window and you have perfect light and ventilation coming from here as well. And then on this corner, you can add your wardrobe. Here as well, you have a lot of electric switches properly placed inside your house. And then you have your fan again and lighting system here also. And then on this corner, the best part is you have one more window. So if you want, you can turn this corner into your office desk or however you like. And this is also again openable. So you have good ventilation coming here. Now, This side, of course, you have your attached washroom, and if you already look, the washroom is giving very luxurious. You have very nice tilings and floorings done into your washroom, and you have your hand shower also attached. You have another shower also attached, and you know there's invisible floor squaring given all over the floor. You have your mirror, which also has lighting system given, and then on the other corner you have your ventilation system given. Now if you notice, this room is designed in such a way that if you want, you can add extra wardrobes just inside, and they fit in completely well. Now, moving on to our second bedroom. So this is going to be very close to your wash basin. So this is going to be your second bedroom. If you look, second bedroom is also again very spacious, and you can't really differentiate between the first and this. And this also is designed in different ways. So this corner has much more space. So if you want, you can add an extra bed on this side as well, or like how it is designed, you can add your table, your chair. And then here as well, you have a huge window system, just like that. And this is also again openable. So you have a view from outside. You can add flower pots on this corner because this will be open. Now this room also comes with attached washroom. You have your heater, again you have your tilings, your flooring, and you have your shower system properly done inside the washroom. If you notice, there also you have your exhaust fan, you have your mirror on this corner, your toiletry on the other corner, and your mirror also has been given lighting. If you notice on the top, your washroom ceiling also has an inbuilt lighting, which makes it even more luxurious. Now right very close to your living cum dining area comes your kitchen. So this is a very perfect place for you to add your dining set. So when we enter the kitchen, on this corner first we have a small space extra. So if you want, you can turn that into your puja corner, or you can design it as per your wish. And this is your kitchen. If you look, the kitchen has been given this very modern and luxurious like touch. You have your tilings done in a very unique manner, and even your storage units, the ceiling space is given perfectly for you to add a lot of storage units on each corner of the kitchen. So this side as well, next to the fridge, you still have a lot of space. You have your switches properly placed. You have fan inside the kitchen as well. So you add extra appliances. You have your oven system. You have your chimney on this corner. And you also have storage unit spaces that can be added here. Now you have your utility area. So your washing machine can come on this side, or if you want, you can add laundry system as well over here. You have two switches given on both the corners. You have a tap system there as well. And again, you have this huge window, so which can be again very helpful for you to dry your clothes. Now, before entering into our master bedroom, let me quickly tell you everything that you need to know about Housey. So as soon as you go to Housey's website, you will find all the information there about the project, like the location, and we give you actual location tour of the project as well. You will find their EMI option, down payment option, exclusive pricing of the project as well, and you will also get 360 virtual tour of the project on our website. And if you would like to book, come and visit the project, you may either click on the link which is mentioned in the description below, or you can go to www.housey.com. Now, entering into our master bedroom. So your master bedroom, as you can already notice, is very much spacious, and your wardrobe system can actually be converted into your walk-in closet, because there's still a lot of space. You can add your dressing table and all of that. You have your lightings done very beautifully in the room. And if you notice, the good thing about your master bedroom is that it's covered all the way window from this corner up till that end of the corner, and all these windows are again openable. So if you want, you can turn that into a slide door balcony like, or choose to design however you like. And then again, this room also comes with attached washroom, which is a little more spacious compared to your other washrooms. Here as well, you have your proper fittings done, your tilings done, you have your vitrified tiles, and you have your mirror, which again comes with lighting. You have a separate toiletry section, so you can again, if you want, design it in another way. So everyone, that was all about Casa Grand Mandarin. For more such amazing videos, do not forget to subscribe to Housey.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK, and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.